So now, what must be the problem? I need to destroy the cookies when a logout function is called. I go to the code inside the database.php file, inside the database class. Here, I create a new function and I call it onsetCookie. Inside the body of this function, first of all, I check if the cookie for ID has been set. If yes, first, I create the expiration date variable and I set it an hour behind now. Previously, I set the expiration date of the cookies to 30 minutes after now. Now, I'm going to make the cookies expired. Set cookie ID. Here I write the expiration date and the /. Likewise, I copy it and paste it and change the ID to username. Now, inside the body of the logout function, I call this onsetCookie of this class. I go to the browser, reload the contents. I see that I am still on the dashboard of the application. If I hit the logout link, reload the content, I see that I am still on the dashboard of the application. So now there must be a problem with the cookies. I go back to the settings, advanced settings, content settings, all cookies and site data. Here I see that there are 3 cookies. If I click here, I see that the cookie for the ID has not expired yet. Likewise, the cookie for the username hasn't expired yet either. I go back to the code inside the database.php. Here, I have set the expiration date of the cookies to 30 minutes after now. Likewise here, I have set the expiration date of the cookies to an hour before now. Yeah, here I have forgotten to give the setCookies function the second parameter, which is an empty string. Likewise for the username. Now I save the changes and go back to the browser. I close it and go to the first tab. I reload the content and log out here. I see that I am on the login page since the cookies for this user have expired. Now I enter my email and password and check the keep me logged in checkbox and hit the login. Now I close the browser, I reopen it and open the project again. I see that I am on the dashboard of the application. When you close the browser, all decisions on this browser will be destroyed. So when I entered the application, I checked the keep me logged in checkbox on the login form. When I closed the browser and reopened it and opened the project again, I was redirected to the dashboard of the application, since the cookies for this user haven't been expired. If I click either of these links, I see that they work. Now I open the project in another tab. I go to the first tab and log out here. Now I go to the second tab and reload the contents. I see that I have been redirected to the login page of the application, since the sessions and cookies for this user on this browser have been destroyed and expired respectively.